there's unscrupulous resellers, so you have to be careful. Hi, if you haven't seen me before, my name is Shay. I'm a travel blogger of 8 years. If you've seen my previous video, for this, I did unbox my first Big Into Energy Labubu. If you haven't seen that unboxing video, I'll link it up on the site for you so you can check it out later. The reason I also wanted to get the whole set because as you can see, this is factory sealed. Even have the Popmart sticker on it because they purchased this from Popmart and they reselled it later for a higher price, but they have the Popmart sticker. It's the same one. This is V2 Have a Seat Labubu. You can see the same sticker. I got this from Popmart store in Terminal 21 at Asok BTS station. After you pay the cashier, they will put the sticker there. It's the same exact sticker that on here. Same exact one. See? So it's the official Popmart sticker. So it's legit. It's just more pricey because they're sold out at the Popmart stores. So you're gonna have to buy it from the resellers. I actually bought this at this shop called Pada at Siam Square. Obviously, this is legit from Popmart. You can verify. Just some tips for you. If you look at the way that this, like fluorescent, the rainbow on the logo. So if it does that way, it's like to the side. It's like to the side. If the fake one, the lafufus, is kind of like they look very identical to the real one like this, but the glow or the glare is not sideways. It's more like straight. So if you get the straight boxes, that's fake. That's not from Popmart. It's a dupe. So this one actually, like you can see that it goes. You see that? You see that? It goes from this to this. It's almost like a scratch or some sort, so that you know that you're getting the real thing. Of course, there's also the QR code that you can scan, and the QR code you can scratch off here that will reveal the number of the Labubu. And the Labubu itself, like Hope over here. Let me show you. She has a QR code on her tag that you can actually verify. The QR code contains an embedded 4 digit, is the same as this one. If you scratch off, that should match the digit that is like hard-coded into the QR code of your Labubu. So you can scan it on your phone and it will go to the authentication part of Popmart that will verify that your Labubu is indeed legit, not Lafufu, which is the fake one. You can tell also another tip for whether the Labubu is real or not. The packaging has these 4 holes. The fake one only have 1. I don't know why they don't do 4. I mean, like if you want to copy everything. You know what I mean? See, the other thing also I wanted to mention, because people like saying that, oh, if your Labubu's ears are far apart, they are Lafufus. But if you even look at this, depending on which factory that makes these, they're not all the same factory apparently. That's like 2 at least, I think. You can see that like my Hope is like more like closer together like this, but Serenity's is a little bit further apart. Not too bad, but you can tell the difference. One is like choo, one is like choo. It's like, it's not, I mean, it's not like this, you know, the fake one, the Lafufus are like this, but you know, still like not as close as this one, but they look the same to me. You have the Popmart casing down here, exactly the same. Like I said, they have a barcode, and I'll scan that barcode later. I'll show you how to scan it and for the verification and everything. And the thing with this card, the fake Lafufu, this is like crepes. Back one, the print is crepes. The Lafufu one, the print is like very muted, and there's like a shine to it. Look at this. The fake Lafufu, the card is flat. It's just like a printed copy of this. And they give you this to keep the Labubu dry. The fake one does not give you this. You know this is real. And even like the box, other than this scratch thing, the fake one is like straight. This is like rainbow scratch. But you can see that there is like embossing going on here. The rays are embossed, the eyes, the whole head is embossed, the ears. This lettering is all embossed. So you know that it's legit. And there's other stuff like, you know, the fake one does not have a lot of information, look like muted. This one is like Crips, font, everything's Crips, and the stuff down here, it's you that is legit. Okay, if you do like this video, please give me thumbs up. And please share this with a bestie who love Labubus and want to see unboxing of the version 3 Big Into Energy, and also who's coming to Bangkok, Thailand, because I'll be sharing where to buy these Labubus on my YouTube channel. So make sure you share this video with them. And if you haven't done so already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel because I have more Labubu unboxings like this. See, I have like V2, I have V1 that I will still need to unbox, and I'll be posting it on my YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Until next time, if you're hunting for these, I wish you luck, and I'll see you in the next unboxing video. Happy hunting for Labubus! I finally got my hands on... I got nails, I can do that.